Oh my gosh, yeah, the torch is kinda broken. Yeah, look at the torch. What is this panda? I'm gonna have nightmares at night. Pigs look actually... Oh, I was gonna say pigs look normal. No, this is not normal. It has no eyes, I'm scared. Yo guys, what's up? It's Pro here, and today I have a really exciting video for you guys. So, have you ever wanted to make a resource pack, but you know, you just don't have the skills and the time to make it happen? Well, look no further, because today I found a really cool tool in Bash that basically makes you manipulate images with a single command. And we're gonna use that tool to create the weirdest resource packs possible. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is gonna be super interesting. So, as example, this is a resource pack where every single block is rotated at random number of degrees. So, as you can see, this is supposed to be diorite, I think, and it's rotated like 12 degrees or something like that, so it creates this little weird effect. Now, naturally, the block still has to be a square, so if the block is rotated 45 degrees, like this sand block right here, it will look a little bit weird. Also, I think stone is rotated exactly 180 degrees, so it just has this little border on it, which looks pretty weird, if you ask me. Anyway, if you guys don't know what this is actually the debug word. You can actually access this from the menu to actually test all of the different blocks and see them all in bold. But what I want to do now is actually, oh my gosh, this looks really nifty. I need to take a screenshot for the thumbnail. Okay, but yeah, what I wanted to show you though is how this looks in an actual world. And also, this is the menu. You may say, well, Nico, why is the menu purple? Well, it's because I did a lot of experiments. Oh my gosh, it is all broken. But yeah, every single block basically is a smaller version of the block and slightly rotated. Oh my gosh, yeah, the torch is kind of broken. Yeah, look at the torch. Cannot wait to show you all of the other effects. I love how the apple looks, just upside down apple. But yeah, this is it. This is all you're gonna see. And also, you can try this by yourself. I'm gonna show you, like in the description, there is a link with the code where you can easily replicate this mess. I think the water is broken because the animation needs it to be a straight line, and it messed with the dimension of it. But I'm gonna show you other resource packs where all of this stuff is not broken. So what I'm doing right now is this command right here, which is rotating all of the blocks a random number of degrees. What I actually want to try to do now is something funny called modulate. And I actually want to modulate randomly. So what this is going to do is going to change the color of every single block a random number of, you know, changes of hue. So every single block is going to have a random color basically. And this might take a while, might take like a few minutes, so I'm just going to leave this running. While the script is running, I actually wanted to say, if you guys enjoy this content and want to see more weird, fuzzy content like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, let's see if it's done. Still not done. By the way, you can actually add a verbose argument right here, so you can add it to the command. I'm going to show you the code later though, and basically it's going to show you which image is editing at the moment, and it goes by really fast. It's literally a wall of text and logs, and it can slow down the processing a little bit. Alright, and let's see it in action in 3, 2, 1, and there you go. Now it actually changed the blocks. Now, okay, the colors are all different naturally because the hue is random every time, so the lava is a little bit more yellowish. And it seems like, I think this is iron, right? Yeah, this is iron. It's like a red. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, that's pretty fun. You know, this looks normal right now. It seems like something I could play with. Oh my gosh, the moon is pink. This is awesome. Okay, yeah, the grass is still this pinkish, purplish thing. And I guess the stone is the same. The coal remain the same. Yeah, unfortunately, black and white blocks remain the same color because they don't have any color to them, I guess. But yeah, this is, I think this is lapis. Is this lapis? Oh no, this is emerald. Okay, yeah, emerald looks like lapis. That's cool. Oh, this looks so crazy. Like, it looks like out of this world. Also, the blocks, or sorry, the items are all messed up. Oh, this is gold. Gold is purple. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this looks pretty crazy. I love all of these blocks though. Like, I kind of want to use them in a way. Anyway, this color actually looks pretty great though. I must say, we don't have many pink blocks in Minecraft. That's one thing that I noticed. But yeah, like, this color would actually look pretty nifty in a build. Anyway, I really have so much more stuff to show you, so we must move on to the next item. But before doing that, I actually want to try some spawn eggs, because hopefully the entities might have changed as well. So, okay. Okay, we are in peaceful. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, so you know those people that make like those cool 8x8 resource packs? You can actually do it using this tool. You can actually do resize 50, so I'm doing this command right here, and it's gonna basically resize all of the images by 50%. Alrighty, so here we are, and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my UI. Oh, okay, well, this looks really blurry. My eyes hurt. I'm not doing this in post-process. This is actually how it looks. Oh my gosh, navigating is impossible. So, yeah, you're supposed to only do this for blocks, items, and entities. I did it for literally everything. So, everything that was supposed to be, like, a certain size is like half the size. So this is why everything looks so weird. But that aside, and entities aside, oh my gosh, this cat has no eyes. What is this? This cat is an abomination. Anyway, that aside, the blocks actually look pretty fun. I mean, it's what you would expect from an 8x8 resource pack. So, you know, it's just like Minecraft, but shrunk. Okay, fire looks pretty nifty. You know, I actually used to have an 8x8 resource pack because my computer was trash. And it's actually, I don't know what kind of interpolation it's using. I think it's like cubic interpolation. You can probably define it too using the command, but I'm too lazy to do so, so I'm just using the default one. I also realized we are downsizing, not upsizing. I mean, we can upsize as well, and I'm gonna show you. But yeah, so I think it's probably nearest neighbor in that case, because it's just, you know, halving the number of pixels of the image. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, let's try that. But okay, if I try that, I want to do it only for blocks because it is a little bit ridiculous. So what I want to do is use resize 1600. Okay, so basically this one is going to make every single block 16 times bigger. So this means that it's going to be a 256 by 256 resource pack, which means it might lag my computer like crazy, but we're going to do it anyway and hit play. Also, I don't want to be underwhelming, but I tried this before, and basically all it does is make Minecraft look like it's higher quality, but actually it's not higher quality, it's just more blurry. Okay, and it is done, and you're gonna see how it looks right now. So you may say, well, Nico, this is just normal Minecraft. If you squint your eyes a little bit, it's gonna look like normal. But if you come closer to the different things, yeah, it's gonna look a little bit weird, especially because the textures don't match. I don't know why they don't match, it makes no sense, but yeah, that's a thing. Also, it's gonna lag much more because the resource pack is literally 16 times bigger for no reason. As you can see, by far, it looks normal. It even looks like you're using like Faithful or some other cool resource pack. But you go close and it's literally so blurry. And yeah, it looks like your eyes, you know, need a check, but it's actually just Minecraft. I love how the grass looks. I mean, it looks a little bit more grassy because it looks more irregular. Anyway, guys, now I want to show you something even crazier. So basically, the convert tool actually has a lot of parameters that you can use, and there is so much to experiment. I might make a second video if I find other parameters that are cooler. But what I want to test now is this raise parameter right here. What is it? Raise, there you go. So basically what this does is going to try to add a little bit of a border to the block so that it will look like 3D. Now it's really dumb because it's doing it to a 16 by 16 block, but I also really enjoyed the effect, so I'm gonna show you guys what happens. So I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna do transform raise, and we're gonna do 2. I think 2 means 2 pixels, which out of 16 is actually a good number. We could also, you know, do multiple things, so we could you know, raise it and then also rotate it like this. But you know what, I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna do one effect at a time. You can experiment with this later and add your own. There is actually a convert manual that you can check. I mean, you can check it on your own terminal, but you can also check it on the web. So if you do convert --alt, you can see all of the different commands that you can do. And there is really so much to do. You know, you could make so many videos on this if you wanted to, and you could experiment so much. I also tried the charcoal, which is pretty cool. It makes everything grayish and some weird effect. You can also add some blur. I don't know, there is so much stuff here, like so much stuff to think about. Alrighty then, and there you go. So, okay, the water looks so weird. I actually want to set it back to day. Please be a day. Okay, thank you. So everything is kind of engraved in this border, which I don't know, it kind of looks like everything is packed together. But I don't know, it's a really weird effect. I feel like you could play with this, it doesn't look that strange. It kinda looks blocky, it kinda, you know, kills all of the glass tiling and stuff like that. All of the other stuff, I mean, it looks kinda normal, you know? I mean, as normal as Minecraft can be, which is not that much, but okay. I mean, I didn't modify entities. Yeah, if you modify entities with this method, they're gonna look really weird because entities are not like the borders are not actually the border of the entity. It might be a little bit strange, the way that the texture is done, so it's gonna look weird. But you know, I feel like this, you know, somebody could actually enjoy playing like this. It must be a really weird person, but that person might actually enjoy this. So as you can see, this is insane though. I mean, every single block has this border, and you know, it kinda looks good. Maybe you could do this for like the most important blocks like gold, diamond, so you can more easily recognize them. But yeah, this is something. Anyway, now I wanted to save the best for last because I have this thing that is gonna completely annihilate Minecraft. And basically what it's gonna do is gonna invert everything. It's gonna go to the RGB channel and negate it. So while this is working, I actually wanted to show you how the code works. I'm gonna actually delete some of this stuff that is no longer useful, so I can send you only the stuff that you guys need to make this work. Now I'm using PyCharm to, actually show the code, but you don't have to use that. You can use just regular editor or just do it by terminal. So you might say, Nico, this is a bash command. So this is just a command that you type in your terminal called convert. This is the command. So why do you use a Python script? Well, I use a Python script because it's a little bit more helpful than just writing in bash. Also, I'm more fluent in Python. So basically what this script is doing is that it's calling os.system, which is basically running a command on my machine. And it's running the convert command, so this command right here. Now you cannot only call the convert command, you have to give it an input, an output, and also some parameters, which are the changes that must be done. But before doing all of this, I actually need to reset my resource spec. So I have my own resource spec at a random folder. I called it Blurry Minecraft RP because I actually wanted to make the entire game blurry by scaling it. But then I realized I could do so much more with this, so this is why the name is Blurry Minecraft. But this could be the name of any of your resource specs, so you just need to change this to the resource spec you're pointing at, and especially the textures. You don't want to modify audio files or anything else, you just want to modify the textures. So this is your resource spec, and then you also need a link to the vanilla resource spec, which you can find in Minecraft versions, or you can just find online. I just found one online and I'm just using this one. And the reason you need the vanilla resource pack is so that you can actually reset it every time you hit play. So as you can see, what this is doing is, if this flag is true, so if we want to reset the resource pack, what we're gonna do is remove the original resource pack and copy the vanilla one into the original path. So it's basically gonna reset all of the blocks back so you can do the change again. Now once this mess is done, these are actually all of the different parameters that you can use. As you know, there are many more that you can experiment with, so you can just add them here. And then, as I explained before, you could either find all of the files using this command. So this is the template command for finding all of the files. Basically what it's gonna do is gonna find all of the files in the resource spec folder, and it's gonna take only the ones that end with PNG, so only the images, and it's gonna search recursively 5 directories deep, and I think that's enough for Minecraft. And then once that is done, it's gonna run the convert command with the parameters you tell them to run. So it's gonna run convert with invert right now, which is gonna invert the RGB, and actually it is done, so great. And then these two parameters are basically the source file and the destination file. And as you can see, they are the same because basically we want the source to replace the destination. We just want to change the blocks. And we are doing the same exact thing here, but we're actually iterating over every single file in every single folder. We are checking all of the files that end with PNG, and then we are doing the different stuff. And the reason why we are doing it this way is because we can actually randomly generate stuff. So this is gonna randomly generate a random color, as you can see. So it's gonna generate a random R, G, and B component. So this is how it does it. And then, since this is happening on every single iteration, oh my gosh, I just closed it. No, where is it? No, oh my gosh, this is not going well. Okay, so since it's doing it on every single iteration, on every single file, and then it's applying it right here, this means that every single time we run this code, every single iteration, is gonna generate a different color. And this is actually how we colorize all of Minecraft blocks differently. But yeah, this is basically all the code does. It's not that complicated, you just have to, mess around with it a little bit. I love how the Mojang logo is messed up because it's inverted. So I must say, inverting everything is crazy. The reason for that is, yeah, the text is all black, the UI is all inverted, you cannot see anything, and also the vignette, the little effect around your character, around your screen, is inverted, so you have a blind spot at the middle where you cannot see anything, and this is crazy. You might have to revert this back because, it's really impossible to play Minecraft in this state. But yeah, it kinda makes you notice the vignette a little bit more. Let's test out a lot of random entities. I don't know which entities I've selected because I cannot see anything. Might go back to the surface because this is killing my eyes a little bit. Why is this completely black? What is this? I don't even know what block this is supposed to be. Snow block. Oh, this is snow. Oh yeah, right, snow is inverted, so it's gonna be really pitch black. So this is great. All of this is inverted, leaves are inverted, so all of the foliage is inverted. Stone is normal, because naturally stone is stone. I guess it's not really normal. You can see that it's inverted, but you know, you cannot really tell a difference. So that's great. Dirt is inverted, anything is inverted, the sun is inverted. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, what happens if it's nighttime? Ooh, okay, that's the moon. Oh, is that the moon? No, I think that's the sun. Where is the moon? Oh, that's the moon. Okay, yeah, it looks really like a moon. I don't know why it's doing this effect. I think it's because there is some transparency around the moon, and that got inverted as well, so it's no longer transparent, but it's white. But yeah, let's try spawning some entities. This is supposed to be a goat. It looks like a really fat warden, but yeah, that's cool. This is supposed to be a... I don't even know what this is supposed to be. Is that a regular zombie or a husk? Might be a husk. Okay, these are parrots. I want to see the different colors. Oh my gosh, this is so insanely crazy. But yeah, that's a panda. Okay, I mean the panda... Oh my god. This is so cursed. This is literally cursed. What is this panda? Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna have nightmares at night. Is this even a panda? No, this is a polar bear. No, this is a panda. This is actually a panda. I wanna see the polar bear now. Yeah, this is insane. This is too insane. Oh, and you can see the moon clearly now. Anyway, guys, before leaving you, I actually wanna give you some extra content and try something new. I didn't even try this before. I'm gonna assume it looks pretty normal, but I'm gonna rotate everything 180 degrees and see what happens. I mean, we already know what's gonna happen, but it might look interesting at some point, so let's try it out. Anyway, guys, I really want to do a second video about this and, you know, show you more stuff that you can do, because I kinda just experimented with this yesterday, so I have no idea how much more you can do, but you can actually try this yourself. This works on Mac, on Linux, and for Windows you actually, I think you need to change the command slightly, because you're not using the bash terminal, but you're using the Windows console, but you can still make it work. You just have to, you know, mess around a little bit more. I actually messed up. I'm making it rotate literally everything, which is not good. It's supposed to only rotate the blocks, because entities are gonna look weird rotated, but I don't care. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is gonna be super interesting. It even rotated. Oh my gosh, you can already see from the logo that this is gonna be interesting. Okay, this looks normal so far. Blocks look normal. I feel like this is upside down though. Oh my dude. What is the... Okay, well, I didn't expect it to be this broken. I don't know what I'm modifying. Okay, that's full screen. Okay, luckily I have muscle memory. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this broken. I thought it was gonna be broken, but not this broken. So everything is upside down. I guess logs don't really look upside down because they're just logs. What else? Are all of the entities upside down as well? Yeah, this is what I mean with entities looking weird upside down. This is definitely not upside down. This is a donkey. It looks like it has a chest. Oh, maybe the donkey entity and the one with the chest are merged. So it actually, you know, rotated the entire thing and it made this weird abomination. Snow is upside down. You cannot really see the difference. Except this. This is a little bit cursed. Oh, there is grass. There. It's still there. Pigs look actually... Oh, I was gonna say pigs look normal. No, this is not normal. It has no eyes. I'm scared. Anyway, what else? Water looks pretty normal, I guess? How does water look normal? I'm so confused. I don't know. Maybe a Minecraft veteran can find a difference, but, you know, it should be rotated 180 degrees, so I have no idea. Anyway, I have no idea why the fonts are broken. Probably because they are all rotated all at once. Also, it's not loading the menu. Is the menu completely broken? It's gonna crash my game. Oh my... Oh, dude. This is not normal at all. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a little bit scary. Yes, this is cursed Minecraft. What is happening? Okay, and this is the test world. And as you can see, stuff doesn't look that weird, I guess. I think. I don't know. Yeah, for anyone using command blocks, this is gonna be a little bit hell because all of the arrows are like messed up and wrong. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty fine, I think. I think it's normal. I think you can play like this. Okay, yeah, I think you can definitely play like this. This is really fun. Anyways, on this note, I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was really amazing to make. If you want to see more content like this, leave a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna try to make a second part on this video if you guys want to. And yeah, guys, this was it. Thank you ever so much for watching. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. See ya!